like devils. The same law promotes agriculture for all. And housing for all. All deficits in self-prosperity. Behind that is the Nigerian flag. Security for the country to share prosperity to make sense and provide a sense of peace, well-being, and relaxation. Chief, the last presentation by all graduates, engineers, doctors, people of all walks of life. We told you a show prosperity. Think about bringing it back again. You can see our poor relatives are free to eat. Make a beautiful and sexy dance with them. That's right. Because of conflict between brothers who were struggling for land, there was need. If the land must stay together and brothers must become interested in the affairs of fellow brothers, that something hard we shall fight to be done. Always seas and oceans. We shall fight with yelling combatants and yelling streets in the air. We shall defend our island.
Innocent man, get money man. Body man, dress up body man. Carnival run you town down. Then don't kill a body. Kill a body. Kill a body. Then don't kill a body. Kill a body.
Rather than walk straight and cause
And then professionals, celebrations, elaborate, enough food, expensive for all. Hey, enjoy the celebration now. Are you there? Just standing there waiting to join us to celebrate the happiness that has involved the name. Courtesy of Sheikh Prosperity that has given room for these expressions of joy. What a happy set of citizens.
And I know what everybody's waiting for. Hey, young fellas, let's dance. Personally, I go deal with you. Personally, I look at money. I promise you the one you will take you. I do think you like it, madam.
At the point? Good. Let's dance.
I don't care what I will do, 'cause I know we get tonight. Put your hands up in the sky. Infrastructural development, education, industrialization were provided to make life better for the citizens of Nigeria. The new evolution is here. Nigeria is a country, a home filled with love, peace, unity, and social progress. Religion is not a barrier. The leaders of the nation shape the prosperity. We need education, industrialization, infrastructural development. A nation where a son of nobody will become somebody without knowing anybody. United we stand. Together we move this great nation forward. Nigeria, the giant of Africa.
The CALABAR, but are distinguished. Beautiful women and CALABAR. We're coming to East, the second citizen of Cross State. The deputy governor of Cross Right Honorable Peter Ode alongside Hollywood. It's a baby shop. Even the deputy governor can dance. Are you playing? Ladies and Cross-Riverians, put your hands together for the second citizen. Of course, the band leader of CALABAR, the second citizen of Cross River State, and Nollywood superstar of Lagos, aka if you're supposed to say a guy said me, the eyes have it.